Hello all. In this video, we will explain you about cloning the course chapters. First, let's see on how you can move the chapter from one module to another. Go to Products, Courses, select the course. Here you will be seeing the symbol for moving the chapter from one module to another. Click on it. It asks for you to select the module name. Select the module name. Click on Save. The chapter is now successfully moved to the module 3. Now let's see on how we can clone the chapter from one course to another course. Here you will be seeing clone symbol. Click on it. You will have two options, copy here and copy to different course. Copy here means copying the chapter into the same course. If you click on copy to different course, it will be asking you the course name, the module name to which the chapter has to be added. Click on save. Thank you.